Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got a unbagging from a company called Someway, and they were nice enough to send this to me to share with everyone. I will leave a description to the products, or excuse me, I will leave a link to the products in my description box. That way, if you are so inclined in wanting to purchase one of these for yourself, you've got the link right there for you. Now, there's only a couple items, so we're just going to get right into it. Now, have y'all ever forgotten that you ordered something and then accidentally ordered it again? Well, I kind of sort of did that. Yeah. So, but that's okay. It's perfectly fine. So, this comes with a standard toolkit, which is a pink pen, which is a single placer pen, a green boat, and a little square of pink wax. You got your drills here, and what I got is this little 30 by 30. And I'm going to roll this back, get it a little flatter. Now, what I like to do with these is put these, I store all of my canvases in portfolios. So, when I get canvases, especially when they've been rolled pretty tight and they've got all these wrinkle, these wavy lines in it, I like to put these in my portfolio and let them stay in my portfolio for a couple weeks, and then I can take them out after that, and they're pretty much flat because the weight of all of my canvases flatten these out. So this is a 30 by 30. There is the item number, canvas number. This has got 12 colors in it. They do have a code, a numbered code, for those who like to save their crystals and pearls and all that stuff. So, yeah, I've actually got this one, but I think the other one might be just a tad different. I'm not sure. But these are the crystals. This is a partial. So you can see there's different colors of pinks. And then you got a pink pearl. You do have this little pink special shape. And then we're going to go into the white pearls. Very pretty. Now this is called, let me see if I can get that back. This is called Pink Beauty. And on Someway's website, this one is $5.99. Now, right now, Someway is actually, they've got a sale going on. It is a buy 3, get 1 free. So, definitely go check them out. There's a whole series of these, which is probably why I messed up and ordered this from another place also. But there's like a green lady. This one is the pink one. There's a blue one. I think there's a red one, a purple. But yeah, very pretty. I like these. So there's that one. I'm just going to set it right over here for a time being. Now this one is a 35 by 45, which is one of the larger pearl paintings that I have gotten. Standard toolkit. We're going to look at these here in just a second. And I'm going to go ahead and roll this back. This is a partial cord glue. It's that canvasy top canvas. Alright, so this is the image. And this is very sticky. And I do like this black background. I think it's going to really make the colors, once this is completed, it's going to really make the colors of these pearls just really pop. So this is called Sunflower Pearl Painting. Again, this is a 35 by 45. This was $10.99. And there is the item number. There are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 colors in this. This is going to be really, really, really pretty. I'm probably going to do this one. Well, actually, I'm going to put it in my portfolio and let it get flattened. That way these little ripples will flatten out. And then I'm going to do this one. This would be a pretty fall colored one. So we have got these great big huge pearls. You see how big those are? These are huge. And we already know where they're going to go. So, there's that. And then look, y'all. I really like these colored pearls. They're not crystals. These are actual, actually little pearls. And they're just different colors. I really like them. I think they are very pretty. And then you've got all of these different sized white pearls. But I think the colored pearls just really make a statement. Okay, I think I got that in there good. Or folded good. Put these back in there so I don't lose those. So there's those. And this is very clear. And I really like these that have a large area to drill. Because I just feel like I get more out of it than some of the other specials that you get that's just outlining. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, this one was $10.99. This one was $5.99. You can find these both on Paint Someway. I will leave a link to these in my description box. And I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please do all the YouTubey things. And yeah, y'all let me know if you have done any of the pearl paintings, and if you have, let me know what you think about them. So again, thank you to Paint Someway for sending these to me to share, and until my next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.